Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the best pressure cookers of 2024. If old tales of exploding pots have kept you from jumping on the pressure cooker bandwagon, it's time to reconsider this useful kitchen appliance. Listen, I get it. You've heard the horror stories, seen the aftermath of a pressure cooker gone rogue, but trust me, those days are long gone. Today's pressure cookers are sleek, safe, and bloody brilliant at what they do. We've put a mountain of these machines through the ringer, testing them on everything from a simple pot roast to a delicate risotto. So whether you're a seasoned pro or a kitchen novice, we've got a pressure cooker recommendation for you. Let's get cooking! First up, we've got the Instant Pot Pro Plus, a 6-quart beast that's here to show you what a pressure cooker can really do. This isn't just any ordinary kitchen gadget, it's a game changer. Now, I know what you're thinking, another Instant Pot, haven't we seen enough of these already? But trust me, this one's different. It's not just another model, it's a revolution in cooking technology. It's like the bloody Einstein of the pressure cooker world. Imagine having a culinary genius right on your countertop. This app-enabled marvel lets you control everything from your phone. Yes, you heard that right, everything. Preheat your pot while you're stuck in traffic, done. No more waiting around for your cooker to heat up. Release the steam without leaving the sofa. Consider it done. It's like having a remote control for your kitchen. This thing is all about making your life easier, and let me tell you, it delivers. Imagine coming home to a meal that's already halfway done. We threw everything at this machine, from a classic beef stew to a perfectly steamed fish, and it handled it all like a pro. And the results were consistently impressive. Every dish came out just the way you'd want it. The meat was fall off the bone, tender, practically melting in your mouth. The vegetables were cooked to perfection, retaining their vibrant colors and nutrients, and the flavors were out of this world. It's like having a gourmet chef at your disposal. The interface is a dream to use, even for the most technologically challenged chef. It's intuitive and straightforward, it's clear, concise, and won't leave you scratching your head like some of those other contraptions on the market. No more fumbling with confusing buttons. And if you do find yourself in a pickle, the app is packed with helpful tips and recipes to guide you through. It's like having a cooking coach in your pocket. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. Yes, it's a bit on the higher side. Yes, this one will set you back a few quid more than your average pressure cooker, but think about what you're getting in return. But let me ask you this, wouldn't you pay a little extra for a kitchen assistant that can practically cook for you? It's like having an extra pair of hands. The Instant Pot Pro Plus is an investment, no doubt about it, but it's an investment that pays off every single day. But it's an investment in your time, your sanity, and most importantly, your taste buds. Imagine the peace of mind knowing dinner is taken care of. If you're serious about upping your cooking game, this is the pressure cooker for you. It's not just a purchase, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Next up, we've got the Instant Pot Rio, a 6-quart workhorse that proves you don't need to break the bank for a quality pressure cooker. This is the Rocky Balboa of pressure cookers, folks. It's the underdog, the crowd pleaser, the one that always delivers a knockout punch without the hefty price tag. The Rio is the upgraded version of the beloved Duo, a pressure cooker that's earned its place in kitchens around the world. But like any good sequel, the Rio takes what worked with the original and cranks it up to 11. The design is sleeker, the controls are more intuitive, and the overall user experience is smoother than a freshly poured gravy. It's like they took the Duo back to the drawing board and said, right, how can we make this even more bloody brilliant? And brilliant it is. We put the Rio through the same rigorous testing as its pricier sibling, and it didn't disappoint. From hearty soups to fluffy rice, this pressure cooker tackled every challenge with ease. The beauty of the Rio lies in its simplicity. It's not trying to be something it's not. It's not here to connect to your Wi-Fi or order your groceries. It's here to cook your food quickly and deliciously, and that's exactly what it does. If you're new to the world of pressure cooking, the Rio is the perfect place to start. It's affordable, easy to use, and delivers consistently great results. It's the pressure cooker equivalent of a trusty sous chef, always there to lend a helping hand in the kitchen. Now, for those of you who demand the absolute best, let me introduce you to the Kuhn Rikon Duromatic, an 8.5-quart masterpiece of Swiss engineering. This isn't just any pressure cooker, it's a marvel of precision and design, crafted to meet the highest standards of culinary excellence. This, my friends, is the Rolls-Royce of pressure cookers. It's not just a tool, it's a statement, a testament to your commitment to quality and perfection in the kitchen. It's sleek, it's sophisticated, and it comes with a price tag that might make your eyes water. But remember, luxury and quality often come at a cost, and this is no exception. But before you choke on your tea, let me tell you this. The Duromatic is worth every penny. It's an investment in your culinary future, a tool that will elevate your cooking to new heights. This thing is built like a tank and performs like a symphony orchestra. The engineering behind it ensures that it can handle the toughest cooking tasks with ease and grace. It's the kind of pressure cooker you pass down through generations, a treasured heirloom that will be coveted by your great-grandchildren. Imagine the stories and recipes that will be shared around this incredible piece of equipment. From the moment you lift the lid, you can feel the quality, the weight, the balance, everything about it screams excellence. The stainless steel construction is heavy-duty, designed to withstand the rigors of daily use while maintaining its pristine condition. The lid locks into place with a satisfying click, ensuring a perfect seal every time. This is crucial for maintaining the right pressure and temperature. And the handles are ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip, making it easy to maneuver even when it's full. This is a pressure cooker that's meant to be used, not hidden away in a cupboard. It's a centerpiece for your kitchen, a tool that you'll reach for time and time again. And use it you will. The Duromatic is a joy to cook with, transforming everyday meals into extraordinary culinary experiences. The Duromatic is a joy to cook with. It makes the process of cooking not just easier, but genuinely enjoyable. It heats up quickly, maintains a consistent temperature, and ensures that your food is cooked to perfection every single time. We're talking melt-in-your-mouth stews, fluffy risottos, and even delicate desserts. The versatility of this pressure cooker is truly remarkable. Yes, you heard that right, desserts. This pressure cooker can handle it all, from savory to sweet. This pressure cooker is so versatile, it can even whip up a batch of creamy cheesecake. Imagine impressing your guests with a dessert made in a pressure cooker. Now, if that's not the sign of a true culinary champion, I don't know what is. The Duromatic is designed for those who take their cooking seriously. The Duromatic is an investment, there's no denying that, but it's an investment in quality, craftsmanship, and a lifetime of culinary adventures. But it's an investment in quality, craftsmanship, and a lifetime of culinary adventures. It's a commitment to excellence in every meal you prepare. If you're ready to elevate your cooking to Michelin star standards, the Kuhn Rikon Duromatic is the pressure cooker for you. It's not just a purchase, it's a step towards culinary mastery. Finally, we have the Tefal Clipso, a 6.3 quart stovetop pressure cooker that's here to prove that good things come in small packages. Despite its compact size, it offers a multitude of features that make it a standout in any kitchen. This little fella is like the David to the previous Goliaths, a true underdog in the world of pressure cookers, but don't let its size fool you. It's designed to deliver powerful performance and efficiency. It packs a punch and delivers exceptional performance at a price that won't have you remortgaging your house. This makes it an excellent choice for those who want quality without breaking the bank. The Clipso's standout feature is its unique one-handed lid design. This innovative design sets it apart from other pressure cookers on the market. Forget about wrestling with stubborn lids or struggling to find a safe place to set them down. The Clipso makes the process seamless and stress-free. This lid opens and closes with a simple push of a button, making it incredibly user-friendly, making it a dream to use, even for those with limited dexterity. It's perfect for elderly users or anyone with physical limitations. But the Clipso's brilliance doesn't stop there. It's packed with features that make cooking easier and more enjoyable. The durable base heats up quickly and evenly, ensuring that your food is cooked to perfection every time, ensuring consistent cooking results every time. No more worrying about unevenly cooked meals. And the easy-to-grip handles make it a breeze to maneuver. Even when it's full of piping hot food, you can move it around the kitchen with confidence. We put the Clipso through its paces with a variety of recipes, from hearty stews to delicate fish dishes, and it handled each one with ease. And it passed with flying colors. The results were consistently excellent no matter what we cooked. The food was cooked to perfection, the flavors were vibrant, and the textures were just right. And the cleanup was a breeze. The non-stick surface and simple design make it easy to clean up after a meal. Now let's talk about the price. The Tefal Clipso offers incredible value for money. The Tefal Clipso is an absolute steal. It's hard to find such a high-quality appliance at this price point. For under $100, you get a high-quality pressure cooker that's easy to use, delivers exceptional results. You get a high-quality pressure cooker that's easy to use, delivers exceptional results, and is built to last. And won't take up your entire countertop. Its compact size is perfect for small kitchens or for those who need to save space. It's the perfect option for budget-conscious cooks who want to make the most of their kitchen space, who refuse to compromise on quality. You don't have to sacrifice performance for affordability, so there you have it. The Tefal Clipso is a versatile, efficient and affordable pressure cooker that's perfect for any kitchen. The Tefal Clipso is a testament to the fact that you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy the benefits of pressure cooking. It's a great investment for anyone looking to simplify their cooking process. It's a reliable, efficient and affordable option that's sure to become a staple in your kitchen. You'll wonder how you ever cooked without it. That's sure to become a staple in your kitchen. With its combination of performance, ease of use and affordability, the Tefal Clipso is a must-have for any home cook. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews and cooking tips. See you next time. We've journeyed through the world of pressure cookers, from the tech-savvy Instant Pot Pro Plus to the budget-friendly Tefal Clipso. Remember, the best pressure cooker for you depends on your needs, budget, and cooking style. So, ditch the fear, embrace the pressure, and get ready to unlock a world of culinary possibilities. Until next time, happy